NJ LEAP is the New Jersey Law and Education Empowerment Project. We work with students from the greater Newark, New Jersey area, very low income, diverse, often first generation college going students. The rates of college success for first generation students is staggeringly low.
The various touch points and roles that Barclays does with NJ LEAP, there's one-to-one mentoring, there are summer internships, there is board representation, as well as fundraising.
The Barclays team has been really supportive of me. I've had a mentor who's worked with me for my debates and my writing, but also everyone, whenever I go to Barclays, they always help me out and treat me really nice.
The students' reactions to the team from Barclays is, one, always very thankful, but two, they use this as a tool to do their own diligence about what it means to actually be a lawyer in this environment.
What's amazing about the NJ LEAP Barclays relationship is it only seems to grow each year. Each year, each program, each offering increases the opportunities for Barclays team members to get directly involved with our students, which in turn builds a sense of connection with the work and helps refine and focus the values of their broader team. This year we're having one of our students is graduating from Princeton. We're sending one of our current seniors in high school off to the University of Chicago. It's not that our kids are going to college, it's that they're going to the best colleges, and Barclays and NJ LEAP have just given them access to the opportunities that they genuinely deserve.